Welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. How are you guys doing? You guys doing awesome? You guys doing great? You guys doing amazing? For me, I'm not doing fine. I'm so stressful. You know why? Because right now it have a lot of snow at my place. So I need to clean the snow more than 1 hour. Oh, you know, that's why I like to take video about the snow, because I love to do exercise every day. Every day I do exercise more than 1 hour. I do kickboxing, I do dancing, I do so many things. But when the snow is coming, so I shower the snow, I don't need to do exercise. Okay, when I shower the snow, I need the boot. You know the boot? I need boot to wear. I have to wear long boot like this. Otherwise the snow is not going to my shoes. Boot. And then I need a big glove because it's so cold outside. Okay, now I get ready to shower the snow. You guys can enjoy. I put my hair up like that, and then look like an old lady, 60 years old lady. And then I wear, you know, I wear one shirt inside, and then this is the second sweater, and then I wear other one jacket. I wear so many because it's too cold outside. I wear the pants, and then I wear this one. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Where's my zipper? Oh, it's my zipper is full. Okay. Like that. I go to shower the snow. And then I put my hat on it. It's like that. Because it's so cold outside. Like that. So I'm get ready to clean the snow. And then I'm wearing my glove. I cannot wear this one for kickboxing, and this one for cleaning the snow. Like that. I wear like that to clean the snow. Okay, go enjoy with me outside. See the snow. See how much the snow. That's why I had to fight with the snow today. Okay, follow me, enjoy. Okay, I'm outside now. I'm white, and the snow is also white. You see? On my truck. This is on my car, my truck. Snow. And you can see, it's all snow. This is my stair. It go up to my house. And this is in front of my house, and the snow all over the tree. You see, when I When I walk, this is all my parking lot is all snow. It's all snow. You can see my foot here. See? It's up to my ankle.ដូចទឹកកកហ្នឹងវាដល់កន្លែងនឹងខ្ញុំខ្មែរដឹងហៅអីវាដល់អាស្អីឆ្អឹងស្អីនេះវាមកដល់នេះទឹកកកច្រើនណា It's a lot of snow. So some my neighbor they already clean, but only my house I didn't clean yet, and it's still falling. See? And you know what I need to clean? Some house they have a they call snow blower, but for me I like to clean with this one. With this one, they call shower with this one. With this, I will show you. Yeah, I shower like that. Shower like that until I finish. So I spend more than 1 hour to finish it. Okay guys, so I will show you a little bit. Follow me. Okay. I need to put my glove on because it's so cold. If I don't wear glove, my hand going to be, you know, like a frost. They call frostbite. ពេលត្រជាក់ខ្លាំងណាវាធ្វើឲ្យដៃយើងខ្មៅហើយរឹងណា That's why I need to wear glove. This is Canada. It's like that. So I need to wear three shirts inside and two pants, and this is how I shower the snow. I spend more than 1 hour. Poor lady. See guys, a lot of snow. Woohoo. You can see snow. This is snow. Called snow. White snow, white any. You know, the kid they love to play the snow too much because they have fun. When the snow falls, the kid they love to get out and play with the snow. Me too. I love with the snow. I love to play with the snow also. Fun. នៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងគេខ្ញុំចាំខ្ញុំនៅពីតូចនៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងគេយកទឹកកកអញ្ចឹងគេដាក់ទឹកអីទឹកសេរ៉ូហ្មងដាក់ញ៉ាំប៉ុន្តែនៅស្រុកនេះញ៉ាំអត់កើតទេវាមានជាតិពុល pollution too much pollution អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងបាត់ camera ហើយនឹង clean ពេលដែលខ្ញុំ clean អស់ខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលថា how strong I am after I clean I will show you how strong I am because right now I need to off the camera and I clean it because if I record all is more than I think almost 2 hours to finish it. So I will show you when I'm done cleaning. Okay. Hello. I'm done cleaning the snow. I think 2 hours, almost 2 hours. I didn't count. Before it was full of snow on my driveway. And I listen music as much as I can and I enjoy. I don't feel cold because I listen music and I used to work out a lot. You know, when we do exercise a lot, so this one is nothing to me for the shower the snow. So I just put music on my ear and then I clean the snow. So you can see. Now you can see before it was a lot of snow on my driveway. Now I clean almost 2 hours. Oh my goodness, and the snow is still falling. See, some house they go to work, they don't have time to clean yet, so when they come back home and then they going to clean the snow. So when we clean, we put the snow to the sideway. Now my neighbor he cleaning too, and I put this side. And I clean my car too. That's my car. I start the car, otherwise my car won't start because it's cold. So this is my bag. So I keep a little bit snow on my truck. That's okay. So I keep the snow on the sideway. And this is my bag of the house. So I leave the snow here. See all snow. See all snow here. Okay, I'm done cleaning. Now I'm just play a little bit with the snow. Let's see all my friends see how snow it is. It's not cold. They're having fun when it's snowfall. It's not cold, so we can play with the snow. Usually the kids they like to play with the snow. I am not a kid, but I love to play with the snow also. So enjoy with me. So all the kids they love to play with the snow. They lay down like that. Snow. Enjoy with me with the snow. Hello, snow. All snow. see guys, whatever we have to having fun with life. So for me, I never getting, yeah, sometimes I'm getting stressed, sometimes I'm upset because we are human beings, right? But don't keep the stress until you get anxiety or depression. No, you find something to enjoy it. In this world, it's nothing permanent. So just enjoy whatever you have. Like my country have a lot of snow, so I have to enjoy it. Oh, snow! Snow. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I love you all guys. Please, if you like, subscribe my channel. I love you. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye. Take care.
ស្រឡាញ់យូរអូនកើតចង់មិនต้องចិនយកពាក្យស្រឡាញ់ដាក់កំហិនต้องបងដូចក្មេងសេរីពីបងរាល់ថ្ងៃគឺស្រីជាអ្នកចាត់ចែងយូរតែខ្លួនបងលែងជារបស់បងហើយចាប់ផ្ដើមស្រឡាញ់ពេញដោយចិនសន្តោសប្រណីបងចូលចិនធ្វើអីអូនមិនសង្ស័យសួរនាំមិត្តភក្តិស្រីប្រុសថាមានចោះឲ្យតែសំរាប់តាមអារម្មណ៍មិនបងខំចិត្តបងឡើយស្រឡាញ់ដល់កណ្ដាលទីអូនក៏មានបោះម្រាដើរលេងយំត្រូវហាមអូនទៅតាមមិនអាចបណ្ដោចារិនធម្មជាតិបងអូនបានកែគុណអស់ហើយមិនលើកលែងឲ្យរឿងស្លៀកពាក់ញ៉ាំគេស្រឡាញ់យូរអូនកើតជំងឺមិនต้องចិនយកពាក្យស្រឡាញ់ដាក់កំហិនទំបងដូចក្មេងសេរីភាពបងរាល់ថ្ងៃគឺស្រីជាអ្នកចាត់ចែង